Hi everyone, welcome. Let's answer a question. Are we better off after we specialize in trade? Let's assume we have two people. We have Sheldon and we have Leonard. Now they are very busy working on preparing meals and preparing baskets of clean laundry. What we know about them? We know that Sheldon, she needs 2 hours to prepare one meal, when Leonard needs half an hour to prepare one meal. Sheldon needs 4 hours to prepare one basket of laundry, when Leonard needs 3 hours to prepare baskets of laundry. Now, according to the definition of the absolute advantage, the producer that requires a smaller quantity of inputs or resources to produce a good is said to have an absolute advantage in producing that good. In the case of Sheldon and Leonard, their resources or input is nothing else than time. The time that they need to prepare meals and to prepare baskets of laundry. Now, knowing this, could you please try to answer the question, which one of them has an absolute advantage in producing meals and preparing baskets of laundry? I hope that you were able to answer that Leonard is that person, the guy who is able to produce those two goods. He's very productive. It means he has absolute advantage in preparing meals and in preparing baskets of laundry. Now, assume that both of them, they have constant opportunity costs and 12 hours of labor per day. What they could achieve in 12 hours? Let's assume that they produce only meals. In 12 hours, Sheldon could prepare 6 meals because she needs 2 hours to prepare one meal. Leonard, in 12 hours, could prepare 24 meals because he needs only half an hour to prepare one meal. They could, instead of produce meals, they could spend the whole 12 hours preparing baskets of laundry. Sheldon will have 3 baskets of laundry after 12 hours work because she needs 4 hours to prepare one basket. Leonard will have 4 baskets of laundry. Of course, they want to have meals and they want to have clean laundry. It means they decided to produce both goods in 12 hours. Leonard decided to spend 6 hours to produce meals. It means he would be able to have 12 meals. When Sheldon decided to spend 8 hours to produce meals, and she will have 4 meals. The remaining 6 hours, Leonard will spend producing baskets of laundry, and of course he will finish with 2 baskets of laundry. When Sheldon, with her remaining 4 hours out of 12 hours, she would be able to have 1 basket of laundry. It means this is basically what they will be able to consume and produce per one day. What you have on this slide, you have 2 production possibilities from here. Because we assume constant opportunity cost, that production possibility frontier for both of those consumers, production possibility frontiers are represented by the straight line. Now, they prefer combination of those 2 goods. You have it represented by point A and point B. As you remember, Sheldon decided to spend 12 hours to produce 4 meals and 1 basket of laundry, when Leonard, in 12 hours, would be able to have 12 meals and 2 baskets of laundry. Please remember that on this stage, they do not trade with each other. It means whatever they produce, they consume and nothing more. But let's ask the question, how their consumption will change? when they will specialize and trade with each other? What should each produce? Are they better off after they specialize and trade? To answer this question, we have to calculate first what is called opportunity cost. Now, what do we know about opportunity cost? The opportunity cost of an item is what you give up to obtain that item. Usually, to get one thing, we have to give up another thing. Why it's like that? Because of the scarcity of resources. They have only 12 hours. If one more basket of laundry will cost how many meals? How many less meals? Or one more meal will cost how many baskets of laundry less? This is the whole idea of opportunity cost. We are not talking about money. We talk about opportunity cost of doing something else in the same time. According to the definition, we know that the producer that requires a smaller opportunity cost of producing a good is said to have what is called comparative advantage in producing that good. Knowing this, let's calculate opportunity cost of making meals and baskets of laundry for Sheldon and Leonard. This is what they decided to produce in one day. You have 6 meals, 3 baskets of laundry, 24 meals, 4 baskets of laundry. Now, knowing about it, we could calculate the opportunity cost. Can you please, I really try for you to understand how we calculate opportunity cost. Now, for Sheldon, and this is where we have Sheldon on our slide, the opportunity cost of one meal is equal 3 baskets divided by 6 meals. It means when you calculate the cost of the opportunity cost of a meal, the opportunity cost of a meal is how many baskets of laundry you have divided by the number of meals. It means we have half of the basket. Now, the opportunity cost of one basket is 6 meals divided by 3 baskets. It means we have 2 meals. For Leonard, it means we talk now about Leonard, the opportunity cost of one meal is nothing else like 4 divided by 24. It means you have 0.16 of the basket. When you calculate for Leonard, the opportunity cost of one basket is nothing else like 24 meals divided by 4 baskets of laundry. It means is equal to 6 meals. In the previous slide, you had definition of what is comparative advantage. Comparative advantage is based on who has the lower opportunity cost. Now, let's take a quiz. Looking at this slide, can you please answer the question? Who has comparative advantage in preparing meals? And who has comparative advantage in preparing baskets of laundry? I believe that you were able to answer this question correctly. It means Sheldon has a comparative advantage in producing baskets of laundry, and of course Leonard has a comparative advantage in cooking meals. Now, knowing about the comparative advantage, we could decide how they should specialize. And in our example, and this example is taken from your textbook, what was decided? That Sheldon will fully specialize in making those baskets of laundry. By fully, I understand that she is not preparing any meals at all. It means there is no meals at all. She will be just preparing baskets of laundry. And of course, she would be able to spend 12 hours and she will have 3 baskets of laundry because she needs 4 hours to have 1 basket of laundry. For Leonard, he didn't want to fully specialize in preparing meals. he still wants to have one basket of laundry, and the rest of the time he will spend on preparing 18 meals. It means this table is showing you specialization. Now, based on the comparative advantage. Now, of course, Sheldon, she needs meals, she needs to eat. It means she will approach Leonard and asking him for meals. And Leonard will be happy, will be willing to give her 5 meals, and in exchange she will pay him 1.5 basket of laundry. And this is what you could see. You have an arrow showing that 5 meals Leonard will give to Sheldon, and in exchange Sheldon will give 1.5 basket of laundry to Leonard. Now let's ask the question, after specialization and trade, are they better off? It means, do they have more of those two goods? And this is the answer you could find on this diagram. Now, before trade, this is what Sheldon was consuming. It means 4 meals and 1 basket of laundry. After specialization and trade, the level of consumption you could see is represented by point A star, and you could see that her consumption of meals increased by 1 more meal, and her baskets of laundry, she has half of a basket of laundry more. Now, when you think about Leonard, he's also better off, because now, when you think about this is B star, is his level of consumption after trade, you could see that he will have one more meal, and he will have half a basket of laundry more than before, when he was self-sufficient. It means when he was not trading with Sheldon. I hope that this video you find very helpful, and thank you for watching.